Hey everybody, this is Sheri Traxler with Vireo Life, author of Go Forward 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. And if you hear somebody talking in the background, it's because I'm at a conference right now, but I ran into a friend of mine who is just dear to my heart, and I want her to introduce herself, and then we want to talk about how her products help me and can help you with your health.
I'm Emily of RedeemingBeautyMinerals.com, and I'm so thrilled to see Sheri here. I love running into her at Business Boutique.
Yes. So what we're talking about with Redeeming Beauty Minerals is the health benefits of using healthy, natural skin products, especially makeup, versus all the conventional ones. So the first question I have for you is, what's the kind of the overall difference of why we need to look at natural minerals versus conventional?
Well, because you don't really know what a lot of our ingredients in conventional makeup is going to do with you. We do have some knowledge now of what we think they're made from, but we're actually our own lab rats. We have added things, we've added ingredients to make better profit margin, better textures, and when we've done that, we haven't done long-term studies. Usually there's 6-month studies instead of 10-year studies.
Yeah, like we're something for just 6 months, right?
Right. So we've now realized that they have 10-year, 20-year effects.
Okay. Well, actually, I'm going to just plug her makeup real quick because she talked about texture. All of the textures of her mineral makeup is perfect, so I don't even know why anybody has to do anything else. Okay, so anyway, back to my questions. So one of the questions you mentioned was toxins. But I see in your products things called iron oxides and carmines and things that aren't necessarily familiar to me. What are those?
Okay. The scientific names.
Oh.
So iron oxides, it's a natural compound, iron.
Okay.
And those come in, those are usually your reds and your browns. Ultramarines are going to be your blues and your purples, and carmines are your reds.
Okay, and carmine is
actually dehydrated exoskeletons of bugs, and I know some people can kind of get a little weirded out by that.
I step on them in my garden, it's okay. Some cultures eat them, so it's
true.
okay if I put them on my skin.
It's better than allantoin, which is purified urea. So at least.
Okay, how do you spell that? I'm going to watch for that on.
That is.
Don't get that. Don't worry about spelling it. I'll just look it up. But yeah, and I'll put that. I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen so you can look for it too, and avoid that. Just because it sounds, maybe it is all natural and okay, but anyway.
Yeah, it's natural. Doesn't mean you want it.
Well, that's true.
But bugs, rocks, they're not really any different.
Yeah. So are there any particular? And I'm putting you on the spot here. Are there any benefits to using mineral makeup versus just avoiding the bad stuff?
Yes.
Oh, okay. See, I didn't even know there was an answer to this question.
Well, let's see if I can do it in a good way.
Okay.
So, your conventional makeup is going to have bad effects to your skin. Mm-hmm. It's going to age it. It's going to I don't know what the word would be. Just kind of make you look kind of flat. They start adding natural ingredients. That they call that greenwashing, where they take a normal formula and they add natural ingredients to it, and that's what's going to start nourishing your skin. Everything else is fake, so it can't nourish it.
Okay.
Try eating candy all the time; it's not going to nourish you.
No.
Even though
y'all know better than that.
Yeah.
You listen to me, you know better than that.
So when you get natural makeup, it's actually going to feed your skin. And that's what's going to make your skin look beautiful. And then in my case, since I create my own makeup business, my own makeup, I kind of work myself out of a job in some ways. Because my foundation is going to nourish your skin. It's going to calm your blemishes. So because of that, people have less to cover, and so they use less foundation.
That's okay though. Your heart's in the right place. Yes. So last tidbit, just so you know what I have on. What's your lipstick? It's not just mineral makeup like powder stuff. She actually makes lipstick too. So what's
skincare?
And skincare. I didn't know. Do you do skincare now?
New.
Okay. Well, this is news to you and I. This is good. Okay, I'm gonna look this up. So what's the lipstick name?
This name of her lipstick is called Defiant Hope. All of the names that I create are to inspire you. So sometimes the most defiant thing you can do is have hope in a very dark situation. When you put your lipstick on in the morning, you can choose the name of what you're doing to remind yourself what you need to be doing and to encourage yourself. I have on Gentle Queen right now. It reminds me to be confident and poised and to take care of those around me and to be strong.
Well, and that brings up one more tidbit I want to ask you about. The name of your company has to have meaning, and also the ministry you have attached to that.
Yes, it definitely has meaning. Everything I do has meaning. I'm a little bit of an overthinker, so I'll have an answer for everything. You may just not want to hear it because it'd be very
Okay.
detailed.
Okay.
Redeeming Beauty Minerals has a couple different levels of meaning. So the word redeem means to buy back and to bring back to original purpose. So I'm bringing beauty back to its original purpose because we're already beautiful. And then I'm also bringing back the ingredients to original purpose. I'm using natural ingredients that God created. He created them for a purpose. I don't believe He just put ingredients into fruit and vegetables. He put in ingredients into nourishment, into bark, into roots, into berries and stuff. Why can't we put them on our skin? Our skin's hungry too. So I'm redeeming ingredients. So I'm redeeming actual beauty products, and I'm also redeeming our beauty because we're already beautiful. And then the mission that I do is, one, to make sure that you know you're beautiful before you ever put anything on.
She even puts these like encouragement notes and stuff, and I just love getting your packages in the mail. They're so beautiful. Okay, continue. I'm sorry.
That's okay. I do include notes with every purchase. Your order is individually wrapped. I prayed over you by name as I wrap it up for you, and then each month there's a new card that I have designed and signed for you that you can, it's a keepsake card, you can put it on your mirror or something if it speaks to you. I did just transition to that. I used to hand draw all of them and write a note of encouragement to you, and it just
Spend
got
that
to where I
time
couldn't
praying
do it.
over me. Yeah,
Exactly,
yeah.
exactly, because I can't pray and write at the same time.
Right. So tell me about the ministry.
Yes. So it's called Operation Beauty from Ashes is what it's called on my end. But I work with Compassionate Hope, and we rescue children from sex trafficking in Thailand. And I support an orphanage that has 150 kids in it right now. We just, it's holistic care, so they are going to be staying there. They're safe. They have health care. They have safe food. They're being taught to work with work ethic. They're being taught moral training, spiritual training, and then they're also being taught to have fun. They're safe.
Nice.
And they go to school there. And we have now gotten a bigger reach because it's a very tribal community. And we have just finished a middle school that extends the tribal into the tribal community. About 400 more children can now come to school. And we are in the middle of building a high school that will outreach to 200 more children to teach them their value and to keep them safe. What we're trying to do is raise them up as an agent of change in their own culture, to go through the whole program and come back and rescue children. And one girl has already done that. She has gone through the whole program.
That is awesome.
And she has graduated, come back. She's already saving girls in her own orphanage that she has rescued just like she did.
Wow, that is amazing. So you help your skin, you go increase your beauty and enhance your beauty and bring out your beauty, and you save the lives of children through this ministry. Wow, amazing. So what is your website again?
It's redeemingbeautyminerals.com.
Awesome. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Remember to, and you know what? For her listeners who want to know who in the heck I am, I do health and wellness coaching and health and wellness YouTube videos and on Facebook as well. So you can find me at The Vireo Life, The as in Victor, IREO Life.com. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks so much for visiting with us. And I hear them applauding, so they will probably have a crowd coming out in this hallway very quickly. So I'm going to turn this video off. Until next time, find your path and fulfill your potential.